Hey folks, we just installed this Coast Mountain High-top on my 1985 Volkswagen Vanagon. This is the T3 model. This was a tin top. These do also replace the Westphalia pop tops. And I wanted to talk about just the basic install real quick. So as we go inside, you'll see I'm 6 foot tall. We have 6'2" clearance in the front, 6'7" in the back. Super spacious. I decided to cut mine a little further forward. We can cut the rear kind of anywhere you want, but I'm going to be building some storage up here. I'm also going to be building storage up front. So this is just over an arm's length. Again, plenty of room for storage. We can store solar panels up here, and it's just real nice. I put in a Maxxair 7500 fan. One of the benefits of this particular model for this van is it's very, very lightweight. Unless you have a Subaru swapped Vanagon, they're not super powerful up the hills. This weighs about 120 pounds, so really not that heavy sitting on the top. You don't feel it while you're driving, and of course it's silent, more aerodynamic. In the next video, we're going to be putting in some ribs, some insulation, and eventually we'll be paneling this out. I haven't quite decided yet if we want to go with a contrasting color or whether we want to go with kind of a more neutral tan. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do. I'm kind of open to suggestions there. But yeah, this is just a very brief overview of the inside of the Coast Mountain High-top's Vanagon High-top. Super stoked with this on the van. And yeah, let's see where this little journey takes us. Thanks for watching.